Hello and welcome to this HowTech video tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to insert symbols. So we go to the Insert tab, and we hit the drop down here, and we have a few symbols we can choose from by default. And if we hit More Symbols, we have access to Word's extensive list of symbols. And we can just click one and insert, find another insert if we want, and we can even have some special characters in there. And we can give symbols a shortcut key, and so on. So I'll close out of that. And if we go and look at this, we have some of our recent symbols very conveniently placed. A few other things we can do is if we look down here in the shortcut key, you'll see that we are able to type these in. So that's the keyboard shortcut. So here we have, for example, Alt 0128. And if I go ahead and try and type that, hold down Alt, and then type in the corresponding numbers, we have our symbol. So there's also another shortcut that we can use for some of the other keys, and that's followed by Alt X, which I'll show you just how to do that. So we go ahead and type in 256C, or whatever we need to type in, and then we'll hit Alt X, and that will convert all that into our symbol. And if we go down to more symbols here, hit shortcut key. If you don't like that two-stroke kind of shortcut, you can enter in a new shortcut key for it. So this has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.